First prize. The winner of the Young European Truck Driver 2012 gets a brand new truck from Scania R-series worth up to €100,000. The prize also includes 1 year of vehicle insurance from Scania Insurance. Second prize is from Michelin and is a VIP package for two to the FIA World Rally Championship at the end of 2012. The package includes round-trip air travel as well as accommodation, event souvenirs and more. Third prize. Volkswagen Sweden brings us the action-packed third prize. The winner and a guest are invited to the most popular public-viewed sporting event in Sweden, Rally Sweden, which is part of the World Rally Championship, WRC.